My name's Alison Atkins and I'm the CEO for Acquire. I have a geoscience background. I've always enjoyed the outdoors and working outside, so always envisaged that I would be working in an industry outside, and studied geology, worked in the industry in Western Australia and also in West Africa for the first 8-10 years of my career, and came back to Australia and met the Acquire team and joined as a technologist. So still associated with the mining industry, but started moving more into technology. And through both my love of the industry and also my confidence in the technology we were building, I've stayed here for over 20 years now. So we've constantly been evolving and have had quite a fantastic trajectory from the initial days of establishing our first product, Gym Suite, and then globalizing that solution. Post being acquired by Constellation, we've now started growing the organisation through acquisition as well. So we've acquired additional products in the environmental and social performance space. So that's allowed us to, again, diversify, start looking at different markets, but also extend our offerings for our existing core customers that have been with us for a very long time. Data is critical for us, and we've always had a philosophy around what we call people process technology. So with our core product Gym Suite, but also we've extended with the products we've acquired as well, it's ensuring that we're empowering our customers to get the right people into the positions to maintain and use our solutions, but also own the solutions. We're there to support them, but empower them through our training and other capabilities to use the solution themselves. And in doing that, that then gives the organisations that confidence they have the right people to be using our information management solutions, whether it's Gym Suite or Envirosys or Insight or Global Tenements, to ultimately have confidence in the data, have confidence in the people that are managing the solution with that data to then make the right decisions from there. If you don't have the right information or all of the information, you're making decisions based on misinformation. And ultimately that will drive your expenditure in the organisation. If we're talking about a producing mine, the decisions they're making around how they mine their ore body, the actual ore body and the resource that they have, the expectations around what is in the ground, you're talking huge costs. And then the processing side to take that ore or take that rock into the processing plants and from a metallurgy perspective, not necessarily getting the returns. So this impacts not only the operating costs for the organisation, but also their share price. So if an organisation isn't collecting the right information, using it effectively to make the right decisions, there are quite large impacts. And that's, I guess, if we're focusing on Gym Suite, environmental impacts as well. If you're not monitoring your water information, you're not monitoring your tailings dams, you're not monitoring the environment that you're working in, there are ramifications as well, both from an environmental perspective, but also from, I guess, a compliance and governance perspective as well. It's confidence in the data they have and in the decisions that they're actually making. Again, if you're using the right solutions, preferably Acquire solutions, to assist you in collecting that information and assist you in making the decisions, it allows you to actually optimise your organisation as well. So there is the opportunity to really refine your processes, refine the types of data you're collecting, and making informed decisions smarter.